Have you ever opened a complex financial spreadsheet and immediately felt a deep sense of absolute dread washing over you? Most financial experts constantly tell you that tracking every single penny is the only guaranteed way to build real wealth. They want you to perfectly categorize your morning coffee and accurately calculate your monthly grocery expenses down to the exact decimal. But for 99% of normal people, this highly restrictive approach is a guaranteed recipe for total financial failure. You end up feeling completely exhausted and inevitably abandon the entire system after just 3 stressful weeks. This terrible cycle of trying and failing creates a massive amount of hidden financial guilt that secretly eats away at your daily confidence. But what if I told you that the wealthiest people in the modern world rarely track their casual daily spending? They actually use a completely counterintuitive psychological trick that requires absolutely zero math and absolutely no complicated spreadsheets. There is a hidden system specifically designed for intelligent people who absolutely despise traditional restrictive budgeting. If you want to finally take control of your money without feeling completely miserable, you desperately need to understand this exact framework. Let us thoroughly break down the absolute easiest way to magically manage your money today. Chapter 1. The flaw in traditional tracking. The fundamental reason why normal budgets fail is that they require an impossible amount of ongoing human willpower. Traditional budgeting forces you to constantly look backwards at money you have already spent. This creates a terrible feeling of restriction where you feel like you are constantly punishing yourself for simply living your life. You sit down at the end of the month and feel terrible about spending too much money on takeout food. But feeling guilty about the past does absolutely nothing to help you build a better financial future. Human beings are biologically wired to seek immediate comfort and avoid tedious administrative tasks whenever possible. When you force yourself to manually log every single purchase, you are actively fighting against your own natural psychology. The friction of opening an application to record a $5 expense eventually becomes entirely overwhelming for most people. You need a completely different approach that actually works perfectly with your natural human laziness instead of fighting against it. The secret lies in flipping the entire financial equation completely upside down. And the very first step involves making one incredibly important decision about your future. Chapter 2. The reverse budgeting revolution. Instead of trying to micromanage your expenses, we are going to implement something called the reverse budget. Financial planners sometimes call this the pay-yourself-first method, and it is brilliantly simple to execute. The core philosophy is that you only need to make one single financial decision every month instead of making hundreds. You decide exactly how much money you want to save and invest the moment your regular paycheck arrives. Once that specific amount is completely secured, you are totally free to spend the rest of your money however you want. You never have to track your coffee purchases or worry about spending too much money on a nice dinner again. Because your financial future is already perfectly funded, the remaining money becomes completely guilt-free spending cash. This simple psychological shift totally removes the heavy burden of daily financial anxiety from your shoulders. You are prioritizing your future wealth without constantly depriving your current self of joy and basic daily entertainment. But to make this elegant system actually work in the real world, you have to build an invisible barrier. Chapter 3. Building the invisible wall. The reverse budget only works if you completely remove your own ability to accidentally sabotage the entire system. You have to create an absolute physical separation between your spending money and your future wealth. If all of your money sits in one giant checking account, your brain will subconsciously view all of it as available spending cash. You will inevitably dip into your savings because the money's sitting right there looking incredibly accessible. To fix this dangerous problem, you need to set up your accounts at completely different banking institutions. Your investment accounts and emergency funds should be incredibly difficult to access on a random Tuesday afternoon. When you make it physically annoying to transfer money back to your primary checking account, you instantly eliminate impulsive spending. Your natural laziness becomes your greatest financial superpower because you simply will not bother jumping through the complicated hoops to access those protected funds. The money quietly grows in the background while you focus your energy entirely on living your daily life. But separating the money is only highly effective if you perfectly time exactly when the separation actually happens. Chapter 4. The magic of complete automation. The absolute most critical component of this entire system relies entirely on modern financial automation. You must set up automatic transfers that execute the exact same day your paycheck hits your main account. Before you even wake up and check your smartphone, your required savings have already vanished into your hidden accounts. You never actually see the full amount of your paycheck, which perfectly prevents your lifestyle from creeping upward over time. If you never get used to seeing that extra money in your available balance, you will never actually miss spending it. This completely eliminates the need for any human discipline or emotional willpower on your part. You are essentially building an unstoppable financial machine that runs perfectly whether you are paying attention or completely ignoring it. In the fast-paced economy of 2026, relying on your memory to manually transfer funds is incredibly dangerous. Automation absolutely protects you from your own worst habits and guarantees that your net worth constantly moves in the right direction. Once this powerful machine is fully running, you get to experience the absolute best part of this entire framework. Chapter 5. The joy of guilt-free spending. Once your automated transfers are perfectly locked in, everything left in your main account is yours to completely destroy. This is exactly where the reverse budget completely outperforms every other financial framework ever created. You no longer need to check complicated categories or worry about whether you have enough money left in your entertainment fund. If there is still cash sitting in your primary checking account, you have total permission to spend it right now. You can buy the expensive shoes or book a weekend trip without feeling a single drop of financial remorse. Because your financial future is already perfectly funded, the remaining money becomes completely guilt-free spending cash. This simple psychological shift totally removes the heavy burden of daily financial anxiety from your shoulders. You are prioritizing your future wealth without constantly depriving your current self of joy and basic daily entertainment. But to make this elegant system actually work in the real world, you have to build an invisible barrier. Chapter 6. Handling the sneaky expenses. Even with a perfect automated system, you still have to navigate the dangerous trap of irregular massive expenses. Things like annual car insurance premiums or sudden medical bills or unexpected holiday shopping can quickly drain your available cash. If you only plan for your monthly spending, these massive yearly bills will completely destroy your guilt-free spending account. To solve this specific problem, you need to implement a dedicated sinking fund within your automated financial system. You simply calculate your totally expected yearly expenses and divide that large number by 12 equal months. You then automate that small monthly amount into a separate savings account, specifically designed for these irregular bills. When the massive car insurance bill finally arrives in December, the money is already sitting there waiting patiently for you. You pay the bill instantly without ever touching your core emergency fund or altering your daily lifestyle. This completely smooths out your financial life and perfectly removes the sudden economic shocks that usually push normal people into terrible credit card debt. And this brings us to the final psychological shift required to completely master your money forever. Chapter 7. Embracing the anti-budget lifestyle. Adopting the reverse budget fundamentally changes how you view your own success and your personal capabilities. You no longer have to identify as someone who is terrible at math or horrible at managing money. You simply become someone who builds incredibly smart systems that require absolutely zero daily maintenance. The ultimate goal of true wealth building is not to spend your entire life staring at complex numbers on a glowing screen. The actual purpose of money is to buy back your personal time and drastically reduce your underlying stress levels. By automating your savings and completely ignoring the tedious details, you free up massive amounts of mental energy for things that actually matter. You can easily focus on advancing your career or spending quality time with your family or developing exciting new hobbies. The anti-budget method definitively proves that you do not need to be a financial spreadsheet expert to become incredibly wealthy over time. You just need to make one great decision today and let the automated machines handle the rest of the hard work.